Hello everyone. Today is day 21 of my water fast, 3 weeks, and this morning I weighed in at 95.25 kilograms. I think it's 210 point something pounds. And I thought, a few lessons I've learned while doing this. First of all, seek medical advice with somebody who actually understands water fasting. Secondly, prepare well by understanding ketosis and going into a zero-carb diet before that for at least 5 days. Thirdly, prepare with how you're going to measure your glucose, ketone and blood pressures. Get all the monitors for that. Fourthly, get your electrolytes. Electrolytes are extremely important. It helps you to not have heart palpitations, cramps when you sleep, all those things. And it's made my journey extremely easy actually compared to what it has been in the past. Fifthly, I would say ease into it. Do a 2-day fast, 3-day, 5 days, 7 days. Learn what it means to change from carbs to ketosis and all of that. And lastly, just enjoy the journey. Learn that it's part of life. Have fun. I'm on the golf course and I'm enjoying 3 weeks of water fast. On to day 22.